I'm going to show you guys how to buy, sell, trade, transfer, and view your NFTs that are on the xDai chain. What up guys, Malong6 here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to trade your xDai NFTs. So if you guys don't remember, I did a hopper staking video. In that video I actually was able to earn an NFT, and then I made a quick little time sensitive video, but that's time sensitive. That was just how to redeem it and stuff. So now I wanted to come back and make another video about the NFT that's not time sensitive. I also wanted to share with you guys a way that you can actually sell your hopr NFT if you wanted to. You can come to this website hopr and you can type in hopr, and you can see all the different hopr NFTs that are available. You can see here, and if you wanted to sell, you can just click sell, connect your MetaMask with the xDai right here, and it's actually pretty simple. And yeah, and you can also create and mint your own NFTs, and remember, on the xDai, so gas is a lot cheaper. So yeah, link in the description for this. So as you can see here, to redeem your NFT, what you need to do is go to the hopr interface for staking. That will bring you to this page. If you haven't seen this already, then go check out my hopr staking video on how to stake these things and get 18% APR. And then I got a bonus of 7.5% boost to my APR because I was a holder of hopr token because of the airdrop that actually went off. So this is the NFT that I have today on the xDai chain. If you do not know how to add the xDai chain to your MetaMask and how to work with all that, then definitely go check out this video. It'll walk you through it all, and it'll also go over how to use the xDai bridge to send some things on Ethereum over to xDai. All right, so anyways, I got this, and the way you redeem this NFT is simply come to this page, let it load, and see if you got one. Boom, redeemed. So now I want to share with you guys how to transfer your NFT. So what you want to do is figure out the contract address, which is right here, and then you'll go to number 9, and you have to put in your from and to address and the token ID. Let me show you how to get the token ID on the xDai chain. So to get the ID, what you're going to have to do is actually go to your MetaMask and copy and paste your address. Make sure you got xDai on and copy your address. Before we find the ID, it's kind of useless, but I'm going to take the contract address and go ahead and add it to my MetaMask just so that way I could see it if I ever wanted to. So do this, 0 decimal points. Next, and there it is. I should it says I don't have one because it has been staked earlier, so that actually makes sense. So then let's go ahead and copy this, like I said, paste it in the block scout. All right, so here is your MetaMask actually on the blockchain here. So as you can see here, to get your token ID, you need to go to the tokens, and then you need to select your hopr boost NFT because that's what I have. So select your NFT. I also have an AVADO NFT that I got as an airdrop. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. And then I also have coins that I have no idea how I even got these coins, but okay, that's cool. All right, so now we're going to click my hopr NFT token, and as you can see here, the token ID will be right here. So just copy and paste this. So I'm going to write this down. All right, so if you actually click the ID, you can actually come over here and see a picture of it. So here's how you look at NFTs while on the xDai blockchain. You can see the pictures and stuff. And also you can see my AVADO NFT as well, or AVADO actually has their own thing just like hopr did, and you can see it right here. So there you go. And now I'm going to show with you how to actually send it. So what you're going to do is go to number 9, safe transfer from, or number 12, it's irrelevant really. Go ahead and put in your from address, so that would be your address, and then who you're going to send it to, and then your token ID. Then click write. Then you'll have to pay a little fee, and then it will be sent. I do not want to send the NFT right now. I'm just showing you how to do this. If you are selling your AVADO device for some reason, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out, my unboxing. You will have to actually do this when you sell it, so that way they actually own the NFT and they own the actual device. They need both to actually own it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this little tutorial was helpful, and as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. Good girl, Coco. still time to claim some free hopper coins. There's still time to claim some free hopper coin. There's still